Think you're a genius with gadgets? Prove it in our Ultimate Electric Components quiz. Question 1. Which component stores electrical energy in an electric field? Is it A. resistor, B. inductor, C. capacitor, or D. diode? The answer, C. capacitor. Question 2. What does AC stand for? A. Alternating circuit, B. Active current, C. Alternating current, or D. Applied current? It's C. Alternating current. Question 3. Which component allows current to flow in only one direction? A. Resistor, B. Capacitor, C. Inductor, or D. Diode? Correct answer, D. Diode. Question 4. What is the function of a transformer? To convert AC to DC, B. To store electrical energy, C. To step up or step down voltage, D. To provide resistance. The right pick, C. To step up or step down voltage. Question 5. What is the basic unit of electric current? A. Volt, B. Ohm, C. Ampere, D. Watt. And the answer is C. Ampere. Question 6. What does LED stand for? A. Light emitting diode, B. Low energy device, C. Light energy detector, D. Long emission diode. It's A. Light emitting diode. Question 7. What is the primary function of a fuse in an electrical circuit? A. To store electrical energy, B. To provide resistance, C. To protect against excessive current, D. To convert AC to DC. That's C. To protect against excessive current. Question 8. Which material is a good conductor of electricity? A. Rubber, B. Glass, C. Copper, D. Wood. Yes, it's C. Copper. Final question. What device converts sunlight into electrical energy? A. Transformer, B. Battery, C. Solar panel, D. Generator. The answer, C. Solar panel. How did you do? Share your score in the comments.